Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be covering planes in Fusion 360, how to manipulate them so that you can have a larger variety for your sketches. It's a really important feature to be able to use. And so we're just going to jump on over, and I've already made a number of these little shapes to help demonstrate these features. Right here we have our construction drop down for lots of different options, but we're going to be covering these. These are how you can put in planes. And as you can see, this is the exact same as the offset. There's just the kind of a quicker key to get to. So we'll click on offset, and it's exactly what it sounds like. You choose a existing plane or a face, and then you're able to draw that out with just this arrow. You also have these measurements right here. You can also put it in that, whichever is your preferred method. And we're just going to leave it at that 2 inches. And these are going to be a little redundant going back and forth, but we're just going to run through them. Next, we have plane at angle. For this, we're choosing a line. So we're going to click on this, and you can type in a degree, or you can just kind of toggle that around. We're going to set it at 45 and call it good. We also have tangent plane on a face. So these cylinders are a great example where we're able to click on the face and keep the plane tangent to the face. This is a very useful feature. I like using this one a lot. And we're just going to drop it right there. Midplane. Midplane is exactly what it sounds like. You're choosing two faces, and it drops a plane right in between them. So also very useful feature. Plane through two edges. So all this one's doing is you're choosing two lines, and then it's connecting them to create that plane. Next is 3-point. I use this a lot. I like using 3-point. We're just going to click on 3 different corners, and bam, we have a plane. This is really nice, especially if you're trying to get a plane to work off of with a really ambiguous space that you're, or a really ambiguous placement that you're trying to put it at. So I think that's, in my opinion, one of the more powerful of these features because it's so customizable with the 3 points. So I really, really like that one. Next, tangent to face at point. It's similar to this tangent one, so it's going to be tangent to this, but now it just wants a single point to restrain it. And so you can see that it, let's see if I can undo that button. So yeah, it's just going to be tangent at that point. So it's very similar. It's just instead of putting the measurement in, you've already predetermined where you want that. And then the last one is also a very useful one. So this is along a path. So we're just going to use this spline that I had made. And you can see it just kind of follows around. This is also very useful for like a straight line where you want a plane at the very end of the line. It's very useful, especially if you're going to be doing a sweep. For example, I could do my path for the sweep first and then create the profile. And so that's really, really nice. And again, you can kind of set in a distance of where you want it to be on the line. You can have it proportional or physical. And you can also have it tangent to the chain. But yeah. So in a really quick run through, that is the different things that you can do with setting up planes. Again, this is really simple, basic a demonstration, but there's a lot of ways that you can manipulate your sketches by being able to manipulate where you're putting them. So very, very useful feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment in the below and definitely subscribe. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear them. And if you have any requests, the same. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.